Good afternoon from Anaheim. It is not quite 1 o'clock and I just checked into my room at the Disneyland Hotel.
Good morning from Epcot. This is Jess from Simplifying the Magic in Fantastical Vacations.
So if you're new to the channel, Leslie and I have a Disney-focused podcast called Addicted to the Mouse. It is published twice weekly on Sundays and Thursdays. We are actually doing East Coast, West Coast competition here for the next 3 days. So Leslie is with another one of the Fantastical Vacations Travel Agents, Jess.
And we are exploring all throughout the Festival of the Arts over the next couple of days.
I am here with another Fantastical Vacations agent checking out Lunar New Year. Her name is Megan. You'll meet her here in a minute.
We are competing against the West Coast Lunar New Year Festival. Yeah. And so you're gonna get to see a little bit of everything.
We are gonna do this. We are going to see which festival is better. I have never actually been to Lunar New Year. I've only been inside the Disneyland parks one other time for the 60th anniversary. We tried to come in 2020, but they were shut down during COVID. All we were able to do was walk through downtown Disney and eat and check out a couple of stores. Let me show you the coolest thing about this room. Can you? It's got LEDs. Anyway, I don't know why I just geek out on that. You flip the little switch and these LED fireworks pop on and the lamp plays a little song for you. And the details in this room, look at these sheets. The star and then the compass rose or whatever, and then the Mickey heads. Mickey head, Mickey head, Mickey head. Can't really see anything outside the window here. I mean, I guess I can kind of see a pool. There's Trader Sam's over there. I love Trader Sam's. I don't know how much time we're gonna have for anything other than what we're here to do for the travel agency and what we have left to see, trying to cram in like 2.5 days. It's gonna be a quick trip. I'm excited. So let's go check this out.
So we have stopped first at the donut box.
We got the vanilla donut, which is part of the colorful walk. Is that what it's called? Walk of colorful cuisine. The wonderful walk of colorful cuisine. It's a hard mouthful. I'm gonna do a little ice cream, a little vanilla donut.
Is that good? Mm-hmm. Hits the spot at 11 in the morning.
All right, so we're gonna check out the Fantasia shop, the little gift shop inside of the Disneyland Hotel. I'm really excited to see what kind of merchandise they have here in Disneyland, since I am mainly used to Orlando stuff. Okay, I am a huge fan of Trader Sam's. That's calling to me. I mean, that's just cool. 35 bucks. I am used to walking around Disney World filming myself, but I'm a little more self-conscious here, like no one else is doing it, so I don't care, I'm gonna do it anyway. I am now with Megan.
Hello!
She made it!
Yay!
So we are walking through downtown Disney, just made it through security. Have you ever been to Disneyland before?
I was about 13, so I think that qualifies as a no. They gave me a first-time visit pin.
All right, so we're going to DCA, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
We have tried the donut over at Donut Box, and then we went to the Paint by Number,
And we painted some figment, purple figment.
Yeah, and I was so excited that it was the same print as it was before because Jess loves figment.
Big fan.
Then we walked up the little path from the land area towards World Showcase, and Pop Eats is here, and they had this soup can, tomato soup, and this amazing grilled cheese sandwich that had bacon and brie and apples.
So good.
We each got one, and then we got these adorable little Bloody Mary tomato soup can. I recommend stirring them up though, because the spice is down in the bottom.
Yeah, the first few sips were not super spicy.
Yeah. So I think now we're a little full, so we're gonna wander for a bit before diving into more food.
All right, we just scanned into Disney California Adventure. Where do you want to go first?
Snack.
Okay, Lunar New Year stuff?
Lunar New Year stuff.
All right, we found Lunar New Year, but now there's all these people staring. It's gonna be a parade.
They're excited to see us or a parade.
Right. This is the welcome party. We figured out what they're waiting on.
When Mulan was a little girl, Mulan loves the swirling colors of the respect, strength, and discipline of the martial arts from her father.
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
I missed Goofy at the end. Oh well.
Shoe and Goofy.
All right, I'm gonna try this thing.
Oh gosh.
Pull more. Okay, cheers. Okay, so now that the parade has passed and hopefully the music is not as deafening, that was actually a really fun parade.
That was.
We got the lychee something and a
Surprise.
tiger something. The drinks were really good. The bao bun was excellent. Everything.
Yeah, it was really good. Really spicy, complemented the drink perfectly. Good combo.
Okay, so we just did the Animation Academy.
Yes.
Do you feel like an artist now?
I do. Sort of. Not really, but it was fun.
We drew Little John. I'm not so great at bears, I've determined, but that's okay.
She's really good at the ears.
Yeah,
They're very cute.
You did better eyes.
Yeah, maybe.
We should have maybe drawn on the same one. highlighted our like strengths. Yeah, yeah. So I think we're headed to get a rosé flight, right?
Yes. Germany? Is that where it is?
Yep.
This is the rosé hard cider.
Okay. Very
Not
good.
too sweet.
Yeah. I like that one, but I don't like it as well as the first one.
Yeah, it's not as rosé-y. It's more of a beer.
Yeah.
And then this is the
Rosé.
That's nice and refreshing. That would be
very
really good on a hot day.
Yes.
Opera cake.
Very much reminds me of tiramisu.
I was just about to say the same thing.
I enjoy pastoral palate. That was good. The short rib also looked amazing. We're still not super hungry, and so that might be round 2.
So we jumped on Genie Plus. It was in like 3 minutes. We were able to get basically anything we wanted. So we got Mission Breakout for the next hour. So we're just walking around Pixar Pier, and the Incredicoaster standby line is only 10 minutes. So we figured,
Couldn't pass that up.
yeah, we got to do it. We just rode Mission Breakout.
I think I spent more time out of my seat than in my seat.
Yeah, it's got a lot more drops. It doesn't have the hallway that the Orlando Tower of Terror Hotel has, but I think it's a great retheme. I think they did a good job. I don't know that I'd want to see it come to Orlando.
No, I think it's good to have a different
Yeah.
version in each park.
I agree. I agree.
Something special.
We're gonna try to get a beer that fills up from the bottom over here at this Pim Test Kitchen bar. It sounds expensive, so we're gonna see. Okay, I got the hazy IPA beer. They filled it up from the bottom. Of course, I completely missed them doing it, so.
Is regulator time. There's some bobo balls in there. I remember mango, maybe some tequila. I think I made a good choice. It looks fun.
All right, so the chalk art is really awesome. That is an awesome Groot. That's amazing. How do you make that out of chalk?
I have no idea.
Look at Pluto. He looks gold. Oh, look at Miguel. Oh wow. That's so cool.
All right, so we popped over to Disneyland. We got Genie Plus reservations for Haunted Mansion. I'm excited about that one.
Me too. Look at the railroad.
Yeah, I'm a little jealous that they have a working train.
I'm excited to see. Let's see Sleeping Beauty's castle.
It's small. It's down there.
Are you sure? I can't see it.
It's down there. Trust me, it's there. It looks so different.
It does. It reminds me of Port Orleans Riverside
Yeah.
more than a Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion in the books.
That maybe won't go down as my favorite experience on that ride.
That's pretty rough.
It was pretty
I mean, the people decided screaming their guts out, which was super annoying, and then it stopped several times, and there was no
we didn't
ghosts.
have any hitchhikers at the
No
end.
hitchhiking ghosts. Okay, we are gonna go back to the Disneyland Hotel and do this meeting thing. I'm not sure what we're gonna do this evening. The park closes at 8, doesn't it? Like super
Yes,
early.
8 o'clock, yep.
We'll either check in later or tomorrow.
So we are back at Epcot. We took a brief break to go get Jennings from school, and we made our first stop at the deconstructed booth.
We got all the deconstructed.
We got everything. So this is the deconstructed BLT. I have not tried this one yet. So I've actually had the key lime pie and then the French onion soup. I've had those a couple of times. Everything is so good. So we're excited to try this. What did you think?
Delicious, all of it. I actually really like the key lime pie. I don't know, I'm not even normally like that big of a sweet person, but it's tangy enough that it's not super, but I loved the French onion soup too.
And that was my first time with the deconstructed BLT. And it was good. It was really good. I'm not sure I would get it again, and I don't know why.
I didn't really like the bacon part.
Maybe. I liked the pork belly part, but the bacon jam part I wasn't a huge fan of, and whatever that green stuff was I didn't love. So it was okay.
I had a bite with all of it and I liked it like that, but
yeah,
I didn't try it all separate, so I'm not sure.
You didn't try it deconstructed?
No, I didn't try it deconstructed.
So I am inside the Grand Californian right now. This place is fantastic. This is a great hotel. It is not the cheapest one on property. This is a premium deluxe hotel. They've got some fantastic dining, Storyteller's Cafe, great buffet with an awesome character experience. I am not staying here. I'm staying at the Disneyland Hotel, but just doing tours of this resort. There's a fantastic spa here, the Tenaya Stone Spa. Walked through that one. Unbelievable experience. The cool thing about this resort is it has its own private entrance into Disney California Adventure. So anybody staying at this resort does not have to go through the nightmare of getting through in the Esplanade. They can go straight from this hotel into Disney California Adventure, which is really cool.